What's up, family? Welcome to DDINS Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So for this Caprese tomato stack salad, you're going to need tomatoes, asparagus, mozzarella cheese, basil leaves, and balsamic vinegar. My local store didn't have fresh basil leaves or balsamic vinegar, so I substituted spinach for basil leaves and 3 cheese vinaigrette for balsamic vinegar. And without further ado, family, let's get to creating this. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to cut the ends of our asparagus off. We don't want that. And what we're going to use next is a steaming method that I use. We're going to take a half a cup of water, pour it into our deep frying pan, and we're going to place our asparagus in here, and we're going to go ahead and let these steam. Oh, and one thing, Grandma, I heard what you said about my pans not having a lid to them. Hey, it gives it character. Hey, if you like this, give me a like. What do you think? However, we're going to let these steam. And quick facts. Where did the Caprese salad originate? The Caprese salad, or ensalada Caprese, as we Italian aficionados call it, originated from the Isle of Capri in the Campania region of Italy in the 1950s. The traditional ensalada Caprese uses cow's milk mozzarella, tomatoes, and olive oil garnished with oregano and arugula. Pretty cool. Alright, so what we're going to do with our tomato, we're going to cut 4 even slices of our tomato. This is a steak tomato, and we're going to cut 4 even slices. Okay, next, we're going to go ahead and take our mozzarella cheese, and we're going to cut a couple of those slices as well. Okay. Now, what we're going to do next is, now that we have our steaming asparagus, and we're going to cut these in half. Give me a like. And we're going to cut these in half just like this. And we're going to make it cut another half so it can fit our sandwich or our stack salad. All right, we're going to start off with tomato, mozzarella cheese, spinach, another slice of tomato. Then you're going to add your asparagus, another piece of tomato, then your mozzarella cheese, your spinach or basil leaves, then your tomato. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of pink Himalayan salt on mine. That's optional. You don't have to use that. And I'm going to go ahead and put black pepper on it, and that's also optional. Again, this recipe calls for balsamic vinaigrette. They didn't have that, so I'm using 3 cheese. All right, and look at that, you guys. This is a beautiful treat, and it's vegan, and it's beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and let's open this bad boy up, see what we're working with. Yes, that belongs on the front of a magazine cover, and you guys made that. I'm gonna pour a little bit more, you guys. I love 3 cheese vinaigrette. Okay, let's go ahead and dig in. And be careful, you guys. You do want to use a fork and a knife. Okay. Man, blame the operator. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh yes, this was exquisite. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 DDINS, into our next food adventure. Peace.